Hello. I'm Sophie, anchor of Next Gen Tech News. In today's news, we are going to talk about how Copilot, Microsoft's new AI for Office, will revolutionize the way you create documents. Copilot is a new AI assistant that will help Microsoft 365 users create Office documents. Microsoft is launching a new AI-based Copilot for its Microsoft 365 apps and services today, which will help people with creating documents, emails, presentations, and more. The Copilot, powered by GPT-4 from OpenAI, will work with Microsoft 365 apps like an assistant, remember Clippy? Showing up in the sidebar as a chatbot that lets Office users call it to generate text in documents, make PowerPoint presentations from Word documents, or even assist with features like pivot tables and Excel. Microsoft's Copilot was leaked earlier today. It works with you, embedded in the apps millions of people use every day: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more, said Microsoft 365 head Jared Spataro. Copilot is a whole new way of working. Microsoft 365 users will be able to call Copilot to get information on an upcoming Microsoft Teams meeting, preparing them with updates on related projects, organizational changes like recent hires, and even updates on coworkers who might have come back from vacation. Copilot can also be called throughout Microsoft's Office apps and be used in Word to write documents based on other files. The AI-generated text can then be easily edited and modified. As Copilot is basically a chatbot, you can also ask it to create a 10-slide PowerPoint presentation from a Word document or analyze or format Excel data. That means Excel users can use Copilot to quickly create a SWOT analysis or a pivot table from data. In Microsoft Teams, the Copilot feature can transcribe meetings, remind you of things you might have missed if you joined late, or even summarize action items during a meeting. Spataro was quick to point out that Copilot won't always be accurate, though. Sometimes Copilot will get it right, other times it will be usefully wrong, giving you an idea that's not perfect but still gives you a head start, said Spataro during Microsoft's AI event today. Copilot will also be available in Outlook, so you can save time deleting emails and replying. Email threads can be condensed, and Copilot can even create draft replies with toggles to adjust the tone or length of an email. To build Copilot, we didn't just connect ChatGPT to Microsoft 365, says Spataro. Microsoft 365 Copilot is powered by what we call the Copilot system. This system combines Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint with the Microsoft Graph of Data and Intelligence and GPT-4. Copilot uses grounding to improve the quality of the prompts it receives. If you ask Word to create a document based on your data, Copilot will send that prompt to the Microsoft Graph to get the context and data before changing the prompt and sending it to the GPT-4 large language model. The response then gets sent to the Microsoft Graph for additional grounding, security and compliance checks, before sending the response and commands back to Microsoft 365 apps. Microsoft is also planning to launch a business chat feature that works across all Microsoft 365 data and apps. It uses the Microsoft Graph to bring together documents, presentations, emails, notes, and contacts into a single chat interface in Microsoft Teams that can generate summaries, planning overviews, and more. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella revealed this new AI Copilot during a special AI productivity event. After adding an AI-powered chatbot to Bing recently, Microsoft is moving fast toward the integration of OpenAI's large language models into its Microsoft 365 suite. Microsoft's announcement comes just days after Google announced similar AI features for Google Workspace, including AI-assisted text creation in Gmail, Docs, and more. Microsoft says it's testing its Microsoft 365 Copilot with 20 customers right now and will be expanding the preview in the coming months. We will share more about pricing and details in the coming months, says Microsoft in a blog post today. While Microsoft is certainly moving fast with its AI-powered vision for Office apps, there will certainly be concerns around the speed of innovation and the accuracy of its AI models, especially when Microsoft 365 users may well be using them with business data in the months ahead. We make it clear how the system makes decisions by noting limitations, linking to sources, and prompting users to review, fact-check and adjust content based on subject matter expertise, says Spataro in a blog post today, noting the company's AI principles. Microsoft recently laid off its ethics and society team within the artificial intelligence organization. The team had been working to identify risks posed by Microsoft's adoption of OpenAI's language models throughout its software and services. That's left some inside and outside Microsoft concerned at the pace of AI-powered software, but Spataro doesn't share the same concerns. To serve the unmet needs of our customers, we must move quickly and responsibly, learning as we go, says Spataro. We're testing Copilot with a small group of customers to get feedback and improve our models as we scale, and we will expand to more soon. Microsoft is clearly starting small to ensure any costly errors are detected early on. When the system gets things wrong, or has biases, or is misused, we have mitigations in place, says Jamie Teven, Microsoft's chief scientist. We're tackling the long-term implications and novel risks like jailbreaks. We're going to make mistakes, but when we do, we'll address them quickly. Hope you like our content. Stay tuned for more tech news. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon and have a great day.